Want to keep your personal number safe while using Instagram? Using your personal number for Instagram can lead to mixing personal and professional contacts. Here's how using a virtual number with Instagram can help. With the virtual number for Instagram, you can keep your personal number private, manage multiple accounts easily, get a US number for verification no matter where you are, and ensure your privacy and security. SMS-Man makes it easy. SMS-Man provides virtual numbers for over 200 countries, perfect for making verification simple and secure for services like Instagram. Getting started with SMS-Man is simple. Here's how it works. Go to sms-man.com and sign up by entering your email address and creating a password. Confirm your account through the email sent to you. Once that's done, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Click on the top up button to add funds to your account. SMS-Man offers multiple top-up options, so you can choose the one. Now, choose Instagram as the service you need the virtual number for. Then, pick the country you want your number to be from. Click on the Buy SMS button to purchase the virtual number. Next, head over to the Play Store or App Store and download the Instagram app. Once installed, open it and tap Create New Account at the bottom of the screen. Enter your full name, password, birthday, username, etc. Now, go back to your SMS-Man dashboard, copy the virtual number you purchased, and paste it into the Instagram. Click the Receive SMS button, and within seconds, you'll receive the verification code. Once you receive the code, enter it in Instagram to verify your number, and there you go. Your Instagram account is created, and you're all set to use it. SMS-Man simplifies verification, making it fast and effortless. As you can see, it's that simple to get started. The process is fully automated, so you can get your virtual number without any assistance. Plus, chat support is always available to assist you whenever needed. Try SMS-Man today for a seamless, secure, and affordable solution.